Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the difference between å vite, å vite, å vite, and å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne in Norwegian. When learning Norwegian, grasping the nuances between seemingly similar words is crucial for effective communication. Å vite, å vite, å vite, and å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne are two such words that are often confused due to their shared translation in English as to know. However, they convey different types of knowing and are used in distinct contexts. In our discussion today, we will delve deeper into the differences between å vite, å vite, å vite, and å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne, and offer guidance on using them correctly. Å vite, å vite, å vite is a Norwegian verb that translates to know in English. However, it specifically refers to having knowledge or being aware of facts or pieces of information. When using å vite, å vite, å vite, you are conveying that you possess a specific understanding or awareness of something. Conversely, å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne also translates to know in English, but it represents a different kind of knowing. Å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne is used to express familiarity, recognition, or personal experience with someone or something. When using å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne, you indicate your personal and experiential knowledge of the object. Key differences. Usage. Although both verbs means to know, they serve different purposes and are used in unique context. Å vite, å vite, å vite is appropriate when discussing knowledge of facts or information. In contrast, å kjenne is used when talking about familiarity, recognition, or personal experience with something. Context. The context in which you use these verbs plays a vital role in determining the correct choice. In general, use å vite, å vite, å vite when the context involves factual knowledge or awareness of information, while å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne should be used when referring to recognition, familiarity, or personal experience. Verbs. Å vite, å vite, å vite is often paired with dative verbs, which describe states of being or conditions, while å kjenne is commonly used with dynamic verbs, verbs which describe actions, processes, or changes in state. Objects. When using å vite, å vite, å vite, it typically takes abstract objects such as factors or information. In contrast, å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne often takes concrete objects like places, people, or tangible things. Å vite, å vite, å vite. Hun vet svaret på spørsmålet. Hun vet svaret på spørsmålet. Hun vet svaret på spørsmålet. She knows the answer to the question. Vet du hva klokka er? Vet du hva klokka er? Vet du hva klokka er? Do you know what time it is? Å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne. Kjenner du personen på bildet? Kjenner du personen på bildet? Kjenner du personen på bildet? Do you know the person in the picture? Jeg kjenner Oslo godt. Jeg kjenner Oslo godt. Jeg kjenner Oslo godt. I know Oslo well. Common mistakes. So first we will look on the interchanging, how interchanging the verbs, the problem with this. So first we have this one frequent mistake then in Norwegian language learners use is using å vite, å vite, å vite and å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne interchangeably. It's essential to consider the context and the type of knowing being conveyed when choosing the appropriate verb. Another problem is misusing in context. So another error then is misusing these verbs within specific context. Remember that å vite, å vite, å vite is used for factual knowledge or information awareness, while å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne is used for recognition, familiarity, or personal experiences. Tips for usage. Remembering the key differences. To prevent the confusion and ensure correct usage, keep the critical differences between å vite, å vite, å vite and å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne in mind. Pay close attention to the context and the type of knowing involved when determining which verb to use. Practice makes perfect. Consistent practice is essential for mastering the distinction between å vite, å vite, å vite and å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne. The more you practice using these verbs in context, the easier it will be to identify and use their unique purposes correctly when speaking Norwegian. Grasping the difference between å vite, å vite, å vite and å kjenne, å kjenne, å kjenne is vital to mastering the Norwegian language. You can use them effectively and accurately by focusing on context, the type of knowing involved, and the key distinctions between the two verbs. Remember that practice is critical, so immerse yourself in the language and engage with native speakers as much as possible to hone your skills and avoid common mistakes. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.